Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann with the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the 25th of October. Almost said Wednesday. The week's not moving along that quickly, but gorgeous weather out there today. Some changes coming up later in the week, and a hurricane on the verge of becoming a major hurricane down in the Caribbean. So let's get in here and talk about it. First off, as we usually do, the Skycam shots around the Alpha Skycam network this afternoon. That looks so nice. That's the view coming from Trussville. Looking down Chalkville Mountain Road, blue sky and sunshine. Off in the distance, you can see Bald Rock Mountain, where our Channel 40 transmitter is located. Up in the Tennessee Valley, that's the Tennessee River. It's seen from our Skycam in Decatur. And another river seen there, that's the Alabama River. It's seen from the Skycam in Selma. And that, of course, is the Edmund Pettus Bridge, the old US 80 bridge there. Okie doke, got dry air in place. Westerlies a bit north of here. Tropical system to the south. In fact, that's a major hurricane down there, or almost a major hurricane this afternoon. And a 588 ridge kind of in between all of that. Temperature is about what you'd expect in October. 70s on the board. Birmingham at 77. Those are at 2 o'clock. Montgomery, the warm spot, at 80. And around the nation, warmer off to the west. But look at the cold air flooding in behind that cold front with snow likely for parts of the Colorado mountains. That's a winter storm warning out there. For the Front Range, as you can see, our friends in Denver will have some snow to deal with. But around here, things are quiet. Those counties down in Florida, that is a red flag warning. That just means the wildfire danger is high. Rain for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday morning at 7 o'clock. Not a lot. With this deal at the end of the week, it sure looks like rain will be indeed less than a quarter inch, which is what this is suggesting. Both the GFS and the NAM are in good agreement with that. The heavier rains north and west of here, from near Dallas-Fort Worth up to Baston. And there's Rena. This thing's packing sustained winds of 105 miles an hour, just sitting there spinning its wheels, drifting to the west-northwest at 3 miles per hour. The steering currents are just non-existent, and accordingly, the models look like that when there's no steering currents, just a big old pile of spaghetti on the spaghetti plot. Ultimately, you think this thing will be turning to the east or northeast. Some of the models try and accelerate it, but more than likely the slower solution is correct, and the intensity should be peaking in the next 24 to 36 hours. From that, the weakening is likely. As you can see, very good agreement there in the intensity guidance. And here's the official track coming from the Hurricane Center. They bring it up to as a major hurricane to Cozumel Thursday morning, then up toward Cancun Friday morning, and then it turns a hard right before reaching the Gulf, winds up over the western tip of Cuba as a weakening tropical storm at that point. And again, with the strong westerlies approaching in this trough that'll bring us the cold front later in the week, more than likely it just will not have a chance of getting up this way. So let's take a look at the GFS, the Global Forecast System. This is valid at 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. Strong vortmax down around the Four Corners. But around here, we stay dry. Nice day. Highs mid to upper 70s. Pretty much like today. Lots of sunshine, just gorgeous. On Thursday, though, here comes our front. Clouds will likely increase, and you can see evidence of rain moving in here Thursday evening. I would say maybe the better chance of rain would be maybe 6 o'clock Thursday night until 9 o'clock Friday morning. And again, I don't even think we have any thunder, certainly no severe weather with that. And then by Friday evening, this is Friday evening at 7 o'clock, the rain is out of here. Friday should be noticeably cooler. We'll start the day in the mid-40s. Highs only low 60s, kind of cloudy-ish, maybe some lingering light rain during the morning. Parts of North Alabama could stay in the 50s all day, kind of a raw day. And look at that now. The GFS, we know, tries to bring Rena up there toward Fort Myers. So again, our friends in South Florida will have to kind of keep an eye on this thing. It's obviously not a strong system. And then Saturday, as we start the weekend, Rena is moving east over the Bahamas. We are dry and beautiful. Goodness, the weekend looks nice. Lows in the upper 30s, highs in the mid-60s. That's Saturday and that's Sunday. Both days, just delightful. Love it. Monday of next week, still looks great. Upper 60s, and there's Tuesday, a week from today. The westerly shifting a little north. Thickness values coming up a tad, maybe the high close to 70, something like that. Still very refreshing. We'll go out there a few more days. This is the 5th of November. Ooh, look at that trough digging through here. Hey, come on now. You know, if this were January, that would be exciting, but it's October. Well, actually, again, this is November 5th, local time. A surface low is approaching Norfolk, Virginia, and the 540 line is down to Atlanta and Birmingham with moisture wrapping in behind that. That's suggesting a big snowstorm for West Virginia and parts of Ohio and Kentucky and a few snowflakes down here. Wow. And cold air flooding in. Ooh, boy. We're not in summer anymore. And 5 days later on the 10th, another short wave passing through, some evidence of rain showers there. So it'll be interesting to see if this whole thing plays out. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you live around here, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.